Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to add new text replacement on iPhone in iOS 16. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap General. On the General page, scroll down, tap Keyboard. On the keyboard page, tap text replacement. Tap On My Way. Raise your On My Way and new text add. Example, oh my god. Short form, OMG. Tap save. Text replacement is changed. Thanks for watching this video.